Hello YouTubers, Celticghostz here. It is July 12th, 2021, and I thought we'd do something fun tonight and start a new game. It is called 2248 Pops. I just installed it from Google Play. It is a Candy Game Studios, and we'll check it out and see what it is. It's a fairly simple game. All you have to do is slide and match numbers, and it'll either pay to you, looks like an Amazon card. You'll be watching the ads. It said it pays PayPal or Amazon cards, and we'll play this game, and since we're starting together, I'll keep you updated on how much it pays, when it pays, if it pays. Looks like you watch the ads here. After this ad, we'll go ahead and check out all the features that this game has. Thought I noticed it had some little side games too. Let's see. I'm waiting on the ad. And you must watch the ads because that is how the developers actually get their money, is us watching the ads. Okay, let's take a little tour of the game. You've seen what we need to do up here in the corner. I've already been playing it for a few minutes, and the first payouts were really high. They were giving like $1,000. Looks like your payouts, you gotta reach a pretty high amount. Let's see what it says up here. A certain amount of cash will be rewarded when reached the required level. Cash rewards remain cumulative, can be cashed out or redeemed for Amazon gift cards when aggregate of cash reaches a certain amount. The cash rewards can be cashed out by PayPal or exchanged into Amazon gift after it reaches the cash out standard. Oh, well, we're going to play this game. Looks fun. It's easy. There's my Amazon balance. I've only been playing a few minutes and I'm already up to there. So perhaps, and it's saying it's paid out, people up here at the scroller at the top, if you can see that. Someone just successfully redeemed a $1,000 PayPal gift card. Okay, well YouTubers, I'm going to play this game and keep you updated. And thank you for watching. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, please click my like and subscribe button, and that way you'll be kept updated when I add new things. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.